Okay, we're streaming now. We're live. We're live. Wait, I'm privately live on YouTube. Shit. How did I mess this up?
No, too late.
There, now. Ba-da-ba-ba. And let's take chats. Chats. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. All right. Should I get some music? I don't know what I could get for music.
Yeah.
Is the YouTube live as well? As that, so it's not like glitched like that one time. You remember? I remember.
Yeah, I got a notification.
Okay, good. Where is Stream Fighter? There it is. Boom. Boom. That's right. Hello. Yeah, it's on. It's on. All right, people. Let's see. What can we do? How can we get free streaming music? So you guys can have something to listen to. Apparently, if people want something to listen to. So I wonder if.
Oh, look at can C-Ray speak? Or is it a usual
Yeah.
rule here?
Yeah, it's have we? I have never. I don't think. Have we spoken with Siri before? I don't think we have. Have we?
I don't know, man.
Okay, so hello. Can I speak? No, not yet. Yeah, no. Once we have kind of just spoken with you in the normal voice, we usually chill there when we're not live. So just to get to know you. Man, we need that bot in
Lucas,
here.
I'll be back in like 2 seconds. Wait.
All right, 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, it's this guy. I'm streaming on Discord, am I? No, I'm not streaming on Discord. Damn. Share my screen like so. Okay, so already dropped 50% of my frames. That's fantastic. You just need.
I was walking with him. I can just we can allow him to speak his shit.
Bro, I think still a little bit like
I tried.
I tried. Yeah, no. It's just yeah, no. I want a little bit of time to speak with people before I let them speak on the live stream. But yeah. Wait, what was I supposed to do? Finding music for the stream. Yeah, that was the thing. Deltarune OST. What is this? Don't know Deltarune? No, I don't know Deltarune.
Go play, bro. Go play. I don't even care about the game. I just want him to play games.
But isn't that copyrighted? I think I can't play that.
Why would that game be? Oh, music. Oh, well.
Yeah.
It's music.
Toby's
Just
chill.
Toby is chill indeed, but you can Google, man.
Yeah, last time I did that, I
No
got
idea.
copyrighted for using music that was supposed to be not. Non-commercial is permitted. Yeah, I do make. I do get the monetization on streams, so I cannot. I cannot.
Well, they don't know that.
No, but it's auto. YouTube does it automatically. It registers it. So yeah,
Uh-uh.
yeah, yeah. It does. Okay. Yeah. It's not that good. Like most of the time you can get by, but it's still like would I really just have something that I could play, you know, just I should just I don't know what I should do. I need to get something, but I don't know what that something is. Has nothing to do with that. Play my game. Toby probably has nothing to do with that. Nah, don't. Wait, what? Should also what? Wait, you should probably put it in the actual live stream chat rather than Discord so the other viewers can see it because I shouldn't actually have the Discord open like that. Um, but yeah, wait. Um, yeah, I don't know. Is there like any good other good places which could work? Because I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Build, run. Oops, that's not what I intended to do. I meant sig build dash dash watch. Oops. But yeah. Don't know, don't know, don't know. There, alright. Cathode Raymond Tube. Wait, when didn't you join? That's my it's balls. Wait, what? Wait, the game is just called balls? What?
We do love ball.
Yeah, we do love them though. Hmm. When did you join the Discord server anyways? Like I don't remember. Since January 11th. Hmm. That's cool. No, the game is just not good. Like last month saw the VR gaming video. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. That's nice. Yeah. Like of course it's nice with more people being able to talk also during the live stream, but I really just want to make sure that it's a person that we can have speaking during live stream, and that takes a little bit. Who are these little dudes fighting in the bottom? It's whenever somebody over at Twitch or YouTube sends a message, it spawns their character in there as an overlay, and it fights for you. It doesn't work on Kick though, but YouTube and Twitch I have it running for. So I don't know. It's very poorly written quick game, or actually it's pretty like the whole mechanics is nice, but yeah, I'm using OBS. Uh, yeah, I made it with another guy called Damon, bro, I can say his name. And yeah, yeah, it's hooked up to Twitch and YouTube. Discord, as a bot. Wait, what? Voice chats. Wait, what? What do you mean? Can we have Discord voice chats support as a bot? Is it public? Wait, sorry, what? Wait, what? You're asking about Discord or asking about what are you asking about? Is the plugin public? You mean this fighter thingy? I don't know if it's public. Let's see. Stream fighter there. Yeah, it is public. Yeah. I don't remember. It has no license. It's literally just a quick Unity project, and that's about it. Very, very unorganized thing. So yeah, I don't know if that should be there. um, Yeah, it's written in Unity. Wait, let me quickly just check that real quick. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, it can be there. This was just gonna make sure that there's nothing. I don't think there should be any keys there that should not be there, but yeah. Good, good, good. Yes. But don't worry, on Discord I trust you, you won't do anything. Bro, I'm so good. No, there's nothing there that shouldn't be like everything that is there should be fine. But yeah, you can it is public, made in Unity. I wanted to try out a little bit more of Unity, so that's why it was made there, and I think it was also quick and simple to make it in Unity. Simple 2D overlay green. It uses green screen because my Linux won't render transparent uh, screens, so I made it green background, and then I just use a green screen chroma key to get rid of the treasure. What's my native language? It's Swedish, but I'm in live in Finland, so I have like a Finn Swedish accent. Yes, I do speak Finnish.
Honestly, bro, it's the most Finnish accent I've ever heard.
Come on, it's not that. Nah.
Bro, you like when bro starts speaking, you can hear the snow. It's like you can hear the vodka there, man. Like generational. You can hear the Russian hate also. It's crazy.
Oh wait.
It's just Finland.
Nah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We're not doing the
Bro
music.
lives in my summer car.
Damn. I guess we're not doing the music then. I guess so.
No music for you.
No music. No music. All right. We are instead fixing this sacred run.
Globgigabgalab music though.
I think that is copyrighted. So what I want to do is that I want to apply force right now. Why am I not falling though? I think I should be. Oh yeah, because I disabled the gravity. If I go to here and then in here, if I go into here, I added the thing. So I think I should be able to do in here in the update. I will take each and every one of these, and then here I have the thing that and it's over here. Keyboard press reset, it just sets the position, but here, yeah, okay, we have to fix that, but we'll just do this, and here I could do we need to take in the set physics, so const set is equal to add import, and we're gonna take this set physics. I think it will be fine, and yeah, and then we'll just go back to here, and instead of doing that, we will just go in here, and now we'll have to set physics. Shit, we are not gonna do that actually, because I think, well, how did I do it? I think I need to take in the system, the physics system, no music. Yeah, I don't know what music to put. I need some copy. I could put no copyrighted sounds. How about that, boys? You guys know it. I think you guys do know it.
You know, you should have those like old Minecraft video music sounds. You know, it's like.
Do you guys know these things? Wait, here top 50
Nah,
biggest
I
no
don't.
copyrighted. You have to know this. Just have to see like, yeah, okay. This, right? You know this.
Oh, this. Yeah, I know, bro. You can't have this playing, bro. This is some meme has music. Bro, about to do something crazy.
The streams are monetized. They are. Yeah. They got monetized the moment I got approved for monetization. I think I can turn it off somewhere maybe. Um. So, but yeah, I think also YouTube. I don't know. I can look into it, but what I want to do is I want to take the physics system. Now the thing is that I'm using the library again, and I actually don't know. They don't have actually some specific or binding physics here. They don't have direct documentation, but Jolt does. But the thing is that the binding uses some weird ass global state, which is like I don't know how that translates to the this thing, the actual documentation about the Jolt's physics system, right? Which is the binding for. So I'm like, how do I access the actual things that I want to manipulate? Let's see. I want to. If I want to apply, I think there's. I'm gonna ask the AI actually.
Because I got some music for you.
Oh no.
It's copyright free. It says it in the title.
How can I apply
Look at what I sent, bro.
a apply movement to a player? Wait, let me just ask the question. How can I apply movement to a player if I got the body ID? Okay, now I'm gonna look what you sent me.
Play it. It's
Sneaky.
copyright free, royalty free, bro.
I,
Let's play
I,
this shit. Alright, let's play this shit.
I know
No,
this one.
you
I
don't-
know this one.
no,
I have played
no.
it so many times.
You never heard this one. You never heard this one. This can be your background music, bro. Trust.
It actually could work.
Pretend it's 2016.
But this could for real work. It's literally like me every time I do something. It's like I was confused. It's...
Bro, that's from one of those like noob versus pro versus hacker videos or some shit.
Yes,
Those who know, they know.
yes.
Yeah.
Was it
exactly? You're the hacker, bro.
I'm a hacker. No, I'm the noob. The fucking dumb. I was like, what's
You're
going
the
on?
noob, right?
What's going on over here?
Exactly.
Okay, I guess this thing is a bit it's hallucinating right now because I don't think there's a Cephus.world. Is there actually a... Nah, okay, so it's hallucinating like crazy right now. Oh, that's fine. Set velocity here, move player, world. Again, this set velocity doesn't... Oh my god, where is it getting it from? I think I need a system, right? There's no way is valid body pointer get... Try get body. Could I just do that? Mutable. And then you pass in...
Lucas,
oh,
you
have to pass in all
to
bodies
tell
in
us
that case. Shit.
You don't.
Yeah, that's...
Bro, I got to tell a story. It's about the song I sent you, the Sneaky Snitch, alright? So, exactly like 1 year ago, my school had a play, and everyone in my class had to go there because that's what my school is like special needs.
yeah.
So
well, that's why you're in it.
Yeah, exactly. And basically, me and my buddy, we were like in charge of the lighting and also music.
Oh,
so
no.
on the breaks, we would just play that song for like 10 minutes straight.
Oh no.
Like every break for like a week. With like speakers and shit. Like, yeah, that was fire.
Oh god, no. Alright. Hello, Chick, Crow, and Chupacker. Ah, and Shadow Fungi is here again. Crazy. But yeah, I guess I could do there's get body IDs, but I think I have get bodies unsafe. I want to get, what do I want to get? If I can do just get body. Buy ID, get body, Is there just velocity, remove, force, get body, what the fuck? Okay, how is, I think this thing is tripping like crazy because there's no such thing as world. And I really need to get the how it's going. It's not going. Okay, it's actually kind of going pretty good. But I need to get the hello. I need to get the damn thing, right? I need to apply when I press move forward. I want to apply a force onto the physics thing. And here I go through each body. So I guess which I probably shouldn't apply. Let's see, what does it say? Yes, get body. Okay, this looks more like set. Okay, body interface set. This looks more like it. This is something. This is our impulse set vec 3. Body add impulse. Okay, this is what I want. I want to get the body interface mutable, and then set. Okay, so this it is get bodies. Or what the fuck is this? BT's head. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna. Alright, see ya, cathode ray mode. Eat. Alright. Good luck eating. I wish you the best. But that means for the players that I need to take in the actual physics system if I want this to work now. Which is kind of funny. I could almost store it in the world though. Nah. We'll do this now. Physics. And then we just do Cephi system. Physics system. And we have to take it as a pointer. Then we can go down to not there. To here. And then here we can just do physics. I probably should call it physics system, but get bodies. Let's see. Get bodies ID. I don't know. Mutable, unsafe. And then I think it will be a pointer, so I'm gonna say bodies is equal to that, and then just bodies dot. Wow, that's not it. That's not it. Get bodies interface. Okay, that's why it's wrong. Get bodies in get bodies interface mutable. There, that. Bodies dot add linear angular velocity and linear velocity. I think it's that thing I want. Yeah. And then I just provide the body ID. And that thing I should have inside of here, because I do this and then I do this. Wait, collider. I didn't get further than getting the collider. What the hell? Should I get the collider from here? Probably while I'm at it. Yeah, const collider. What is equal to entity get pointer collider world. So now we'll have the collider. Whatever. And then in here we can say collider dot I should have probably have said ID, because that was not really hard, really easy to know what the fuck I was talking about. And now the velocity. Now this is where I should put the move. But I think it won't accept. I have to do something with it. Maybe. Oh, no? Okay. And let's see. Yes, so this thing will have to take in not just the world, but also cell.physics system. And is this not a pointer? Oh, my bad. It's the cell.physics system. That's physics system. That's very misleading. And there's still one more error. Expected type physics system found pointer systems physics. Did I actually do it wrong? Right. Nah, that's it. Oh. Hello, Kaya. Let's see, that should be it. That's physics, that's physics system. Maybe just a pointer cast then, because that's physics. Yeah. I mean, I could do a pointer cast, but that's kind of... How are things? They are not that good. Or if I could access the physics system instead and call at PTR cast. I think that's the way to go. All right, let's see. Okay. Let's try to move. Okay. It works. It works. Okay. Okay, there's the collider. Good, good, good. Now, that's not how it's supposed to go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. But it kind of did work. Kind of badly though. But it did work. Let's see. If you press this thing, yeah, we can do that easily like so. That has nothing to do with the physics system so far. And then what we can do is we can do bodies dot set position. I'm a bit unsure about this. How did you figure out using SIG with Vulkan? Because most of Vulkan code is written in C. Vulkan is written in or like the Vulkan library is in C, right? Most Vulkan tutorials and sources are written in C++. But it's I mean, I did first do a little bit of Vulkan using C++, and then I moved to SIG, and it's actually like SIG is really like close to C. So basically, it's just translating basically C++ to C, and then I translate C to SIG. That's what I do, and then it works quite nicely. It's not that hard. It's more or less just trying to. Of course, there's like that. It's extra steps. I'm learning Rust for Vulkan. But I think aren't there like good resources for that at least, or some good resources at least? At least more than SIG, I would assume. Memory management? Sorry, what do you mean? What is real inactivation type? Go to... I want to know what does it mean that it takes... I just want to set a position. Let's see what else does exist. Bodies dot... Is there a reset? There's set position angular versus linear angular, set linear velocity, set rotation. That one is probably something I should also touch. But let's see, let's do one thing at a time. Do you handle memory management? Yes, I do. Sig is more explicit than C about how you use your memory. Like you cannot just call allocate randomly in your code. You have to pass an allocator around, or you could create a new allocator randomly in the code, but that goes kind of against the philosophy, or is it called philosophy? The Sig philosophy. So you have to be pretty explicit about where to use an allocator. So if I don't pass an allocator into a function, I'm assuming that I'm not gonna use allocators inside of it. And if I do pass, well, then I'm gonna have to call a free later on for this structure. Hello, Penguin operator. Do you handle manually, or is it handled dynamically by Sig like Rust? No, Sig is very explicit, yeah, about the memory management. Sorry, I probably should have read a little bit more before I continue answering. Body set position. I don't know, how does Rust do memory management? I haven't used Rust that much. I have only done unsafe stuff. Rust, that's all I have done. I haven't done real Rust, okay? No worries, no worries. And then when I reset the position, I think I will just say that can I just create one on the fly like this? I just want it to be 0, 0, 0. And then there should be active, not don't active. Active. Fuck do I know what that means? I'm just gonna say active and see how it goes. And then transform position. I'm not gonna touch this thing. I'm just gonna let it be like so. And let's see. Then I go into here, press R. Okay. Kind of worked. It's not that good. It is kind of like, you can see the key bindings are not right, but that's also kind of the angles. Oh shit. I need to stop the velocity as well. Shit. Void is set angular velocity, rotation. Or is it angular velocity? Set velocity? Set rotation. I think I'm gonna go with that one. I have no idea. I'm gonna get past the collider, say physics, and then I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna set everything to 0, like so, and then a dot active again. I hope this is the right thing that I'm doing. Okay, now we're gonna go back in here, press R. Oh shit, it failed. Terminated. Did I press escape by accident? I think I might have done that. How did I manage to do that? Okay, let's see. R. That terminates the thing. Great, good to know. So let's not touch that thing. That's where I want to be. If I press 0, right? Because I'm touching this thing. That's why it's working for a brief moment. Okay, let's see if I do this. For some reason, it's like moving the camera. Right. I think I have gravity still on. Yeah, wait, no, gravity is set to 0, so why would I be... Okay, we'll try this. What if I just don't create the floor? What if I create add module? I'm not gonna create the floor. Or actually, it's kind of more or less the roof than it's a floor. Interesting. Reset. It's still moving. I don't know why. Can I just like reset it, disable bodies? Reset, remove and destroy body, remove body, destroy, add force at position. No. What can I set? Set position, set rotation. Set rotation just broke the thing. I don't know why. Angular velocity, linear and angular velocity. Linear velocity, there. We'll do this and we'll just set it to reset it all. Collider dot that, and then I will just tell it to be 0, 0, 0. Like so. Very happy. So now go here and I press that. Oh, okay. That's pretty good. It actually stays in place. Right, I cannot rotate, but I should be able to move. Yes, okay, good. That works. Wrong way. It's inverted the controls. Okay, but we're slowly fixing these things, all right? They're getting there. But wrong. Back. Uh, okay. Stop. I don't have a button to stop having velocity. Okay, great. Okay, now we need to change that that I should. Oh wait, I can rotate. Wait, but why is it? No. Okay, it's broke. No. The rotation is applying the wrong thing somewhere. Wait, mouse relative. I need to. Right, because I'm applying the rotation and then I'm using the rotation. Right, okay, now I see. Because what I'm doing, oops, inside of physics, because I need to do it, kind of, I'm going through each ECS thing, entity in the ECS that has a collider and a transform. Then I get the information about the collide from because I have the collider can access thing. Oh wait, this is the init by the way, but that's how I set it up here. So here I should also wait, hold on. Bodies. Okay, wait. Okay. No, okay. I do this. Okay, I just get from. Okay, that was for the init. Okay, that works too. That works. No, I should probably. I don't know. I have both way. That's kind of bad, maybe. But yeah, I get each body. I get and then ask this ECS for the associated. I should probably check that it exists because it could return someone that doesn't have it, but they for some reason have a collider. That shouldn't be the case, but it could happen. But I don't care. I don't have that problem at the moment, so I don't care to be honest. And then here, basically, we'll just take the rotation out of this the physics system and the position, and then apply it to the new matrix. That's why when I do rotate here, I'm manually overriding, and it works for one frame because I do the rendering before I do the physics update, apparently, or something. Something is wrong here, the order, and that's why it looks like it's working, but it shouldn't be. And then it updates this and it's the physics this system see like, hey, no, you shouldn't be rotating, and it puts it back to whatever it is there. And I need to make sure that when I try to rotate that I'm applying it to the physics system rather than the manual override. Or I could check that if it's the camera, I would not do the same handling, but that's kind of bad also, so I don't know. I wouldn't like the idea of using the physics system for rotation. I don't think it should be used there. But how could I go about it otherwise? Because that's what I'm doing right now. Well, I could not use the rotation of the. I could change it, yeah. Nah. No, there's a good reason why I actually do use the transform of the camera rather than just having a custom. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so we will just have to do it through the physics system, I think. Player. So when we're in the player here, we do get page. So here's what I do this. What is the associated pitch? Yeah, because I've taken them by reference. But that means I could do this in the end, actually. Might not be the best way to do it, but we're gonna do it for now. Bodies dot set rotation. I don't know what... This one broke last time I tried to use it. Set rotation. We're gonna break it again and see what happens. So we're gonna pass collider, set physics, and then it was this weird... I think is it a quaternion that it wants in rotation? I would assume so. So would I have to make a quaternion out of the thing before I proceed? Quat is equal to end set quat dot Hamilton F32 from vector from Euler? From back, from Euler, from back, from Euler. Fuck, do I know what I'm doing? I'm gonna do from Euler. And then here, I should be... I have the pitch and yaw. Now I just need a roll. So wait, pitch, yaw, and then roll. Wait, it is pitch, yeah, and then pitch, yaw, and then roll is that set, yeah. So it is just pitch or roll, yeah. Pitch radians. Oh fuck, is it okay? Right, radians. I'm gonna put roll to 0 for now. I don't care. I think I even have it stored in the camera, but we'll just do this just to get it working once, and then dot active. You have the way of programming is very efficient. It's better than learning and implementing a Vulkan. Wait, your the way of programming is very efficient. It's better than learning and implementing Vulkan in C++.
No.
Harold, shut up. I'm getting complimented here.
I don't agree.
Complimented. I can't even pronounce.
Show them your heap allocations.
Hey, it works, okay?
It runs, yes, but the code is... Nah. It's like a trash can. Looking at the trash can from the outside, it looks nice and clean. But looking on the inside, it's just filled with shit.
This guy, he will never stop. He's just like, he just keeps on going, you know?
Guys, this is open source. You can go and look at the thing. If you look at the languages, you can notice there's a surprising lack of SIG.
Hey, I'm trying, okay?
Yeah, man.
Expected type F32 found. Is it? Oh yeah, these ones have to be dereferenced. I forgot they are pointers. And then I even forget how to do a proper... Okay, and then expected found... Right, and then how... Ah! No! How can I just make this to components? You should have a to data thing on the quaternions.
What do you mean to data?
Because I have to take the quaternion right now to a array of vec4s. An array of vec4 array. And I can only get each one.
To vec.
Does it return a vec4? Huh.
Yeah, bro.
That's crazy, bro.
Bro, look around before you begin doing super shit.
Nah, that's not what I do. You know that.
Right. Yeah.
that's not quite working. Well, that's funny.
You say.
It's like resetting it. It shouldn't. It's not quite right. Not quite right. Something is. I know it's something with my matrix multiplication in the when I make the thing that is wrong. But still, I should get the rotation at least to work, because if I cannot get even the rotation to work, then wait, I'm increasing the roll. No, the roll stays the same. Pitch doesn't go anywhere, and jaw stays the same as well. Set rotation to. What if I, instead of doing set rotation, can I do an add rotation? We're gonna make it go crazy now, I think. Add rotate linear velocity, force, bodies, force and torque. No. Okay, I tried. I really tried. But now I have no idea. How can I make it rotate as well? I used to do this, and then I'm gonna provide that. But that won't work. He solidifies his understanding. Yeah. What do you think about Rust instead of C++? Think.
Nah.
I don't know. I wouldn't say, because I don't really I haven't tried Rust that much. So I don't know if I could say a good answer to that, to be honest. All I know is that C++ is it's a powerful language, all right, but it's not it's unclean as hell. Even though I write very unclean code, but I think Sig at least doesn't allow me to write completely horrendous stuff. So it's the
Yeah, you in C would be.
We're talking about
C++.
C is still alright.
C. Nah, bro, you cannot code C++ nor C.
This guy.
If this dude were to program C, he would do a pointer arithmetic for everything. He wouldn't even use structures. He would just store things as a pointer, void pointer only.
I hate how accurate that is.
Yeah, this guy, he actually doesn't like types at all. He's just pretending to like them. He just wants a pointer. He doesn't care.
But pointer arithmetics is fucking awesome. I don't know what you're on about.
Yeah, I don't know for field access though.
I mean, I think it's fun that you could just randomly, arbitrarily, just jump into memory and just say that this.
Yeah, I don't think that's fun. I think that's a terrible design of a language.
Let's see, Quad2vec. Your input never use Hamilton quaternions properly. From Euler produces a quaternion, but 2vec may not return the format rotation expect. Vec 4vec quaternions does not. Make sure your quad is actually it is. It should be something like. Yeah, that I agree, Harold. You should have it to say vec 4. It was very I thought it was a vec 3 when it said to vec. You see, update rotation incrementally from mouse.
You're just dumb, bro. If a quaternion has 4 floats, what vector do you expect that to become? A vector 2, I think. Yeah, that sounds about right.
Vec to vec is always vector 3. All right.
No, why would it?
Because
Bro,
that's
these
just
are like some C++ mindset here. Just assuming the defaults on everything. Just read the code, bro.
But
the docs are the code,
yeah, but so can you
not the
not
names.
can the function be called vec to vec4 then?
No,
No, okay.
no, you don't get it. The names are not the documentation, all right? It's the code.
Yeah, but it's still kind of nice to have the function to tell you what it does. So you don't have to go always into the code.
Bro, it's a one-liner function.
Yeah, that's quite a lot.
Yeah, yeah, right. Yeah, you can't stand the clean code, that's why you can't read it.
Code my ass. No, but I don't think you would like. Come on, man! Like to vec4, that you could at least do. Like that's not too.
Nah,
Nah, okay.
I don't like having numbers in my names.
Nah. Yeah, that's why I totally. When I wrote C, and I have an init, and it became too long, I created init too.
Yeah, that's sleepy.
That reminds me when I used to write C. I was like, this init function became quite long. And I was like, I'm gonna create a function called init2 to continue.
You know, something I also hate with C is like styling. Most people, well, not all, but most people style with so much white space, bro. Like 90% of the file is just air. Like, what am I doing? Am I breathing? Nah, bro. This code wants to run. It doesn't want to breathe. What is this?
Yeah, that's but it's I don't know what
American
to
slow
say.
style.
Hey, come on now. Okay, what I
Bro,
need to
I've seen it.
come on. Let me think because this is a little bit. It's kind of a. This should be fine actually. I don't get it because it's like mouse camera sensitivity relative x y. But I'm taking it from the transform. That could be an issue actually that I'm doing it from there. Let's not do it like this. And it will complain in a few places. We don't have to dereference it then anymore because we can just do this. And same will be for these ones. Why is my multi-cursor not working? God damn it. Why is my multi-cursor going like super crazy right now? Like for real, it cannot register that I'm trying to do this. I'm selecting this and it's like, what the hell is that? Okay, wait, we're gonna do this. I have a plan. We're gonna select this now. What the fuck? Multi-cursor, what is it on about? LSP reload. I don't know if that will help anything. Okay, that works. Great. Boom. And then we can go here, and then we can remove those. Wow, that took longer than it should have. Cannot assign to constants. Fuck. What? Variable. Bam. Very happy. Then here, same thing. Oh my god. Now you have multi-cursor activated. Ah. Yes, and then we'll take away that one and that one. So now we won't apply directly to the. Let's see. Yes, we also need to change these ones. Okay, we can now, please. Nope, multi-cursor not being my friend again. Okay, this, yeah, easy, nailed it. Okay, let's see. It still does some weird, which it shouldn't. Because now I don't even keep reference. If init was too good, why shouldn't we make it an init too? Yeah. After all, why shouldn't we? Harold, just this goddamn doubter. But now I'm not even applying it to the transformer, and yet it is. Maybe I'm applying it. No, I shouldn't be because I'm doing this. I'm just taking the information, but I'm not applying it. I'm just taking the relative, and then I'm just doing that. Okay, we are changing. We're doing instead of from Euler, we are doing from Vec, we're changing it. It needs another argument. Right, then it's expecting the quaternion. Oh, okay. Yeah, we are not touching that. Oh. Ah. Okay. I just want to be able to rotate. But it doesn't like it refuses to do my rotation. Even if I do body set rotation. What if I just do tell it to be 1? Okay. That it did. And if I tell it to be 0, then we should be looking in the forward direction if the development is 0. No? Why is the 0 not... Why is the 0 having these values? Either way, I should be able to change these pitch radians. If I do that. 45. I should be able to do this, but it says that the pitch is 1.5 and it's constant, it's never changing, which is very strange. Because it should be, it's the max right now. It's clamping pitch to, is it too fast? Wait, but yeah, okay, wait. Let's take the yaw then, because yaw is not clamped. Why is it doing that? It shouldn't be. Yeah, but the yaw is 274 and I don't seem to be able to move it. No. It's putting it back to 274 all the time. Even though this set rotation should override it and put it back, or put it to what if I no, still it's putting it back to 274 all the time. It's like I'm not doing anything. Even though there's a slight uh so strange, so strange. What else could I do? From you to back. Oops. What the hell am I supposed to do? It should be able to change this. I get it in here. It does do some update because, but then it just completely disregards it and just continue on with whatever it was doing before, which is super strange. Do I update the rotation anywhere else? No? Huh. Strange. Doctor Strange? Is there an add rotation? Add torque. No. And this didn't really do anything. Rotation camera. What? It's the same. 2x4, it's the same. Set pitch. Is that actually no. That's the camera. That's not what I want. Nothing. Motion type. Set add torque. Should just add torque. That shouldn't. That's not gonna look good at all. But I'm just gonna add it and see how it goes. It's probably gonna. We'll see. Collider. And I'm just gonna create one that takes 100. It's gonna be fun. There. It went quite fast, but no, okay, there it's slightly. It is slightly moving. So if I do maybe 10. Nothing? For heaven's sake. I don't know if it's moving or not. I don't think it is. Okay.
Hello, you ugly bastard.
What?
Hello.
We're
Hello,
live, by
you
the
ugly
way.
bastard.
We're live.
Yes, I know.
Okay. Set the rotation.
Yeah.
I feel like this should work, but why is it not? Because this should set just the rotation and I should apply it from the ECS and I don't overwrite anywhere else except in here.
Yeah, but Lucas, it's your code. So
Yeah.
it's bound to fail.
Ah. Well, that makes sense.
Yeah. What the hell? Why don't you just do this?
Or is it even using... Should I make it to degrees? Is that why it's wrong?
What the fuck?
It might be that it's expecting degrees and I'm giving it radians and that's why I cannot see any difference.
No, it should only be this one. Why? Because logic.
Hmm.
Oh wait, that's indeed I have no money.
Wait, how do I convert... It's 2 pi is 1... Wait, radians. Fuck, how do I convert radians? 6 point... Is it
like
28 is equal to 2 pi, right? So how do I... It's something to do with 180, I remember, fuck.
nigga, you have Google.
Ah, 180 is 1 pi. Right? So that means that... How do I... How many degrees is 1 radians? If this is 2 pi. Ah, wait, but then 3.14.
Pi divided by 180 multiplied by degrees.
180 multiplied by degree
Yes.
is equal to radians.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, okay. So then I just take it the other way around. So I get radians multiplied by 180 divided by pi. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, and then I will get the degree. Yeah.
Isn't there like a Zig standard function for it?
Hara. converting a Vec 4 to use degree instead of radians.
Oh, you could try to use STD math degrees to radians or radians to degrees. I think it should work on vectors. Probably not, but we can try.
Yeah. Ah,
Standard
std.math.
math.
Is it degree? No, no.
Oh, there's
Radians to degree.
vector degree. There is no function.
Ah, seems to
Oh, wait, no,
work.
there
Oh, no, it crashed. Yeah, no, that's not good. Doesn't tell me why. It's just like, nope, ain't doing that.
I don't wanna.
I don't wanna. We're gonna try to do mixed. So I can just have to just make this one to add as. And I'm gonna provide it F32. I'm gonna do like so. Still something wrong? Scalar operator, vec, and F32. Come on. Can I do. Ah! But then I have to do a. Can I do add splat? Can I just do that? That's not gonna work either. What the hell does that? Right. Unknown result. Yeah. Okay, I need to. What do I need to do? I need to. I can also just do an arbitrary, because I know it will be more, so I can just do 100 and see how it does, what it does, how it does, what it does. I can't even multiply it. Fuck. Well, this sucks a lot of ass. What if I do dot? Can I just do this? Wow.
Fuck.
You're kidding. Doesn't work either. I just want something simple, just to increase the magnitude of the damn vector. Jesus Christ. Magnitude of each component.
Still zig.
I just wanna be able to rotate. Is it too much to ask for? Ah, why? Why?
What's this next?
What if I just, what if I just say, no, because I cannot say so. I need to get what the camera currently has, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get the rotation of the pitch and the yaw, and then I'm trying to apply a relative thing, and then, Okay, I'm just gonna, what if I just went camera dot sensitivity is equal to 100? Now this is gonna be bad. So we'll go a bit up, and then no, it still resets it. Okay, so it's not that it's.
Oh my fucking god.
Woo!
I'm an idiot. I'm a fucking idiot.
I knew that.
Dude, okay, so you have something, you have registers and you have immediates, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So I was trying to read the register where I should have read an immediate.
Oh yikes.
Yep.
How did that go?
Wait, hell? I fucking saw the I saw the name of the enum I was working with, and I was like, move mem immediate. And then I saw I was using CPU state register. So I was like, oh, that's why my code is working.
Pitch red. I'm gonna say it's equal to 10. Let's see, what does it do then?
Yo,
Hello,
what's
cheesecake.
up?
Oh no,
What's up?
fuck.
Okay, it does apply it.
Hello, chef.
That's
How
so
about you, chef?
interesting.
I'm good. How are you?
That's good. I'm
It's like
good.
it's like this thing is not doing what it's supposed to do. It's not applying it somehow. But when I force it to be 10, then it's why would this work but the other one not? Ah, this doesn't make
How are
sense.
the physics looking?
They are not looking. Oh, I don't
Are they
understand.
not looking? Nah.
Yeah, because it's weird because this thing should change the values. But it doesn't. Doesn't.
Guys, you know what I will do now? Why is my Linux?
No, oh god.
Actually,
Oh god, no.
What are you doing?
It's
rising my Linux.
Oh no.
But
Let me
only a
check-
little
let me
bit.
check your mic.
Like I will change for like not getting the default what is it? I don't know, the default notifications.
Alright, shitty mic.
like I don't understand, the yaw is just capping. It's it's just putting to 274 for some weird reason. I don't understand why. Why would it be capped to that? It shouldn't. If the body is set rotation to this, the only place, if I manually tell it here to change it, then it will. Am I calling set rotation anywhere else? I shouldn't be. So I don't understand why it feels like it has to do it somewhere else because it's overriding it somewhere. No, it cannot, because why does this work then? That doesn't make any sense. What? Hmm.
Wait, Harold, can you write a Discord message to me real quick? So I get
Yes.
the notification. Damn, it works. That's crazy.
That is crazy.
Why would it do that? Because I don't manipulate the value anywhere else. I shouldn't be, at least. Just around you're seeing classic physics female. The body is dynamics of physics simulates its orientation, and when you manually set the rotation every frame on mouse input, the physics engine tries to correct it back according to the velocities. Collision that causes the jitter. Think of it trying to drag up. Okay. Physics engine sees it once and doesn't. Sees it once, it sees it every frame still. Ah. If you want direct rotation control, player ignores physics forces, but I don't want it for. I just no. Then I need a separate component kind of thing going on, which would be a good idea actually. Apply instead of setting. If you want the body to remain dynamic, bodies get Hamilton to Euler quaternions. Current quaternions sigging out in here. Yeah. And I'm trying to just make a simple rotation work. Ah, man, I suck. I don't get it. But computer angular velocity needed. I mean, I guess if... And I said angular velocity. I haven't tried that. Approach first person shooter style. I'm not gonna do that because that will not make things work. But this looks interesting. So it's like, okay. And then we can apparently get the rotation. And then Hamilton to Euler. I don't think there is such a function inbuilt. No, only from Euler. We don't have to Euler. Current Euler. Why not just what is going on over here? This doesn't make sense. It's inventing something that doesn't exist. Okay, so just current Euler. And then yeah, diff. Okay, nah. Okay, no. And then set angular velocity. Angular velocity. Okay, let's just try. I have no idea. Let's figure out what that thing does. What is that? Add angular velocity. Impulse. Force. Set angular velocity. I have no idea. We're gonna try that. And then collider. I should probably call it ID instead of whatever I'm calling to. And then I'm just gonna do this for now. And let's see how badly this breaks. Vec from vec 3. Okay, that's okay. You can just take what we got in here, like that, put it there, boom. And let's see, unused. I'll be back, alright. See, look! Wow, the rotation is working!
Looks very good.
That's not, I think, we should just use the relative in that case. So, let me try just doing pitch radiance is equal to 0 and your radiance is equal to 0. Let's see what this does. Yeah, I'm just gonna reset us back to the center. I have no idea where the ball is. There, or planet. It's called a planet. Fuck. It's not seen anywhere. What the hell? Ah, there. How do I? Okay, bam. Fuck. Which button am I supposed to press here? Supposed to go to the... I already forgot. There, okay, it's W and A. W, and then a bit of A, and then a bit forward, so S. These buttons are fucked, okay. We'll do W, and we'll just go so we slightly see it, and then we'll... slightly move the cursor around. Can I see? Oh no, it resets the camera matrix upright all the time. No wait, there it is. But why is it? Yeah, I'm not getting the current. I'm getting the roll though. Oh, okay, good to know, good to know. Okay, we'll change it slightly so I can actually see what's going on. So I should probably change this to be, instead of this, we'll put over there and we'll put it over. Oh, come on, you're kidding. Why does it when I paste it over something, it has to override it? Okay, whatever, bang. Now we'll put 0 and 1. And let's see, so 360. And then W, a little bit. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't think. Yeah, it's doing quite a big of a jump. So what if I delta time should actually take it? Oh, yeah. It should not be 100 sensitivity. Oops, my bad. Now that's more like it. Now I just need to find the damn thing again. There it is. Okay. 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 I don't know. I lost it. Damn. Ah. It's very like I lost it again. Damn. It's weird because it says that the yawn pitch is like, I think that is in degrees, right? There's no way that is in anything else. And why is the roll being manipulated? The roll. What the fuck is going on? That's okay. So just if I reset the position, so now everything is in 0, 0. And then if I press W, let's see, do I have the coordinates here? Camera position. We have X, Y, Z. If I press W, I should be moving in the negative Z. And I'm moving kind of in every direction that I'm moving in the negative Z, but I'm also moving in the positive Y and X, which is very wrong. Have you tried restarting your notifications, Damon? No? No? But we can see that... Okay, wait, why are the pitch, yaw, and roll? If I do a reset, I'm trying to set all of the linear velocity. Oh yeah, but I also need to set the rotation. That's why things are not right. Okay, good. Set rotation, but how do I... Or angular velocity. No, I think I want to set rotation. That I did last time and it completely broke, but I know how to fix it now. Set physics. And then we're gonna provide it with 1, 0, 0, 0 and that active. Okay, let's see. Don't break. It didn't break. Good. And oh wait. Okay, so 360, it's whatever. So if I press W. Okay. No, it's moving in the negative set. Good. And that should be positive set. Yes. Good. And yes. Okay, good. So if you don't have anything weird going on, it's just a bit weird. Where's the position of that planet? Am I in the init taking... I'm initializing... Create mesh identity. Okay, then I initialize the physics system. There. And I go through each of these. I'm putting the transform vec. Yeah, so I'm do getting it. Okay, good to know. I have no idea what the position is of that sphere. I'm actually using the thing that if I create the planet here with this reference point, I don't think I'm actually initializing the I'm just using it to create the vertices, but I'm not using it to create the actual position. Transform, yeah, its position is still just... So that's actually the wrong thing to use, but it's okay. Okay, so we're gonna change it so it will be like that. But then I actually have to restart the thing that won't apply. It's segmentation fault. Right, that's what it makes sense. Okay, so now the planet should be in the center of everything. So if I go backwards, interesting, and I go forwards, wait. If I go up, nothing happens. If I go down, then I go up. Now it's interesting that the camera is not rotating accordingly. Okay, so up. It's for some reason the up and down is flipped. Interesting.
Cheesecake, I have bad news for you. Because I need the blur of Hyperland now, I actually can't use screen drawer because I have it blurred, but I can't disable the blur for the application because it's weird with X11 Windows. Yeah.
Okay, so
This
I'm
might
doing
be
something
an
wrong
admin
over
error.
here. X, Y, rotation, position. Am I doing the rotation multiplied by translation? It should be like that, right? But it feels like it's inverted. No. Yeah, I first do translate rotation multiplied by the transform. Translate. And these are the rotation x, y, z. They should be the same, and then x, y, z for position. It should be pretty accurate. Don't know why. The information is also correct. I'm pressing W, and the z axis is increasing or decreasing. Actually, it's going negative. So, and now, yeah. So they are going the right way. The projection is just wrong. Hmm. And I'm just trying to get body. Well, this one can't be wrong, can it? And then if I do a rotation, let me try something. From, what are these? Come on, tell me, come on.
Guys, hear me out. What is 9 plus 10?
Don't do this, Harold.
But
Guess.
why?
Because otherwise Bill Gates will haunt your dreams.
He already does, so that won't really. What the hell?
Yeah, I think he's calling.
Oh shit, not again. But that should do the same thing. What the fuck?
Anyways, ping if you need me.
No. Okay, I will.
Goodbye.
Still doing the wrong thing. The coordinates are correct, but the representation is wrong. What if I did a... That wouldn't make sense. No. Translate. Where's the translate? Why does it exist for this thing, which returns a matrix? There's a translate. Should be 12, 13, 14. Well, you could also just do this. Initialize an identity. And then just do no field translate. Now you're just messing with me because obviously it's right there. There's the transpose. What the fuck? That doesn't make sense. So you multiply by translate. What the hell? Okay. Translate. That's interesting. Position. And then I will do that. Ignored. Okay. You matrix into this. And then multiplied by. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be weird. Because now I'm gonna do the translation and then if I rotate afterwards, then it's gonna be fucked as hell. Wait, reset. Go up. Yeah, it's still the wrong. It's just slightly wrong in a different way. Rotation though kind of still. I think rotation is like right, it's just a bit weird that it changes the roll when it should change the pitch and that change the pitch when it should change the yaw. Interesting. Very interesting. But that shouldn't, like, I don't understand how it would make sense with row and row and column majors, but the problem is that that can't be because I'm just taking out raw position and then applying it into my matrix, so they shouldn't have using its matrix, its own matrix. Wait a minute, rotation. No, from back. Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem unless this thing does the wrong thing, but it shouldn't. Because this is from the same math library. Should. Oops, my bad. I mean, if it. Yeah, that doesn't really matter apparently. Oops, now I went too far. Okay, that should still do the same stuff. I go up, and then yeah, good. But I could also do a rotation. Because if it is the other way around, and I just do to matrix inverse, hello, inverse, and then I multiply, yes. Okay. Wait. No. What the hell? What the hell is going on? Okay, no. Now it's definitely wrong because that should not be like that. What the hell is going on? It cannot be anywhere else because the logic for every other calculation for the matrix is correct. I just need to get the right. I think a simple test for that is actually just doing this. If I do transform is equal to, let's say, we're gonna take, what the hell? We're gonna take, we're gonna make a new const tmp is equal to tmp is and set matrix 43 after two floats an identity, and yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Then I can say transform is equal to tmp dot multiply by translate. Yes, and then position, and then we're just gonna take the rotation. Let's see, but discard the rotation, and right, okay. Can I still just go dot w is equal to 0? Like so, and then don't use it just so it gets happy. And then found matrix, expected root transform found matrix after the transform. What? But all of these are matrices. What is expected transform? Why is it? Ah, right. I need to make this to a transform from matrix. From matrix. So that should only take the position into consideration. But yet the position is wrong. The camera is looking in 360, 360, 360. All of that is 0. Everything is zeroed out. So that means I should always, when I press W, I should be moving forward, but right now I'm moving backwards with Q, depending on what I'm looking at. I have no idea, to be honest. Should I maybe take? We'll change it. Systems, wrong. This thing, and we'll not do the planet. We'll do the tree, because the tree can easily know which direction I'm looking. The render is not needed for the tree. Oh wait, it is. Hold on. Which one is not the allocator? Interesting. Okay, boom. Okay, interesting. That broke. Because I didn't use the allocator, it broke. That's hilarious. Jesus Christ. V table. Interesting. Structure GLTF asset init print info. No, I've had it used before. Shouldn't be a problem. Huh. Why does it need to be using the what? Okay, yeah, there's the tree. No, wait, this is correct, actually. Wait a minute. So I'm looking down at the tree. Why is it looking down? And I guess that might be correct then. Huh. Why is it looking down? Yeah, this might be correct. Huh. And W should be moving. Okay. And then A. Interesting. So then it's just the camera is looking the wrong way based on the multiplication. Okay. Where do I want to be? I want to be inside of physics. Okay, so then we just have to make sure. But right now the camera should be looking 0, 0. Oh. Huh. Pigeon yaw, pigeon yaw. And then I used to update the camera. Okay, that's why it's getting weird. Because I used to assume that this doesn't change inside of the transform. I used to assume that this is something that is done inside of the camera component. But right now I'm trying to do it inside of the transform. So actually it's supposed to change it to be... Oh god. Get rotation matrix, get view matrix. Yeah, here, get rotation matrix. Oh no. It was easier when I did it in the... Well, I mean, as long as I could probably just yeah, transform rotation. No, transform rotation is fine. I'm passing it in from here, which is just camera transform, which comes from here, which is just getting the transform, and that is the only thing that I should be up there. Okay, no. Okay. So that means the only thing that I did to the transform here, which was basically I just did this. I just updated these things in here. So that means that I would like to put... Yeah, but the thing is I have to add the difference to the... And that means that it's this what I would like to do, the yaw pitch. Because the difference is what I'm trying to use right now, but the difference is not that good. It's kind of bad. I would rather write to set. But okay. Set angular, add linear velocity. And then I just pass in pitch, yaw, and roll, but it doesn't take it as that, which is kind of bad. Okay, but then this should be fine the way that I'm doing it. Let me just close a little bit of stuff. Okay. So if I do this, I do from... It should be fine to take the rotation. Hello, Tosa. But wait, isn't... Can I not just... Why am I... Hold on. Why don't I just go... Right, I don't have the Euler. Yikes. Kinda need it. Kinda badly. Hmm. But I think that would pretty much be it. That would solve most of my problems right now. I just got that because everything is stored correctly besides that. Yeah. So it'd be kind of nice to get it. Don't know why the collider ain't working right now, but that's fine. It's not our biggest concern. We're trying to move right. Just need to get the rotation. And I need to be able to translate this to a versa to vec, from vec conjugate multiply from Euler. I need to Euler. And that's this thing, which apparently is wrong according to Harold. Angle axis. From matrix to matrix. But can't I just do to matrix? No. Is there a get rotation or something like that? Rotate. Cross product, look at inverse transpose. Clean up this garbage. Vec rotation. So if I do it to matrix and then I do a vec rotation. Wait. No. It's just, okay, no. That's not what it meant. There's no get. Shit. Okay. That's okay. Wow. Because I do store it in the physics system, but it's not. I need to get the rotation somehow without. That's the self physics system. Get rotation. Body interface like so dot get its rotation. What does it return? No, it returns the quaternion. Fuck. Damn it. So there is only this. Okay. I'm just gonna provide this to GPT and tell it to. So, and you fix the to Euler friend who has created the lib implemented it. Pitch your role x. The default formula assumes x, y, set. Okay, good. Base practice mouse. Don't care. Okay. I'm just gonna put this in here, and if it works, then it's good. If it doesn't, well, lol. Then I actually have to restart. I don't think this one gets compiled with the thing. Oh shit. And let's see. Euler. Save that, and I think we have to just restart it real quick because that one shouldn't be able to understand what that is. right now, I think. Okay. Okay, it's just it works. And up works and down. Yes, good, good, good. Everything seems to be fine. The tree's just upside down, but besides that, it's pretty good. Okay, good. I'm sending that code. It's peer reviewed, right? Okay, now that works. Okay, good. Now let's see, do I dare to rotate? Oh, okay. Okay. It's a bit slow, but that's fine. I cannot look up or down because it's apparently it's changing the roll, but it doesn't have an effect. Am I not actually rolling? Wow, that's crazy. Right, because there's a... Okay, that's... Wait, oh, now it has an effect, but that's because it's fucked. Okay. That's weird. It's pretty close though. Let's see. I'm gonna pass that over to Harold and tell him to fix his mat. Your mat.
Get back to work.
And it's... I haven't really like checked the... I didn't even check. I was like putting it there, but like it should work, right? And that was my review on the code snippet.
Lucas,
Yeah.
I will update my whole system now.
Oh shit. I wish you best of luck and hope we might meet another day.
See you next year.
See you next year, bro.
You have a user here. Nice.
Yeah, it seems to work. I'm just doing something wrong with the calculations in another spot, but it works.
So this one works.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah. I just need to fix my other thing, but that's not relevant. I still have it running. I don't know why I closed it. I wanna go to physics. I mean, already in physics. I wanna go into player because I need to fix the way. Set angular velocity. Why is it that the pitch is manipulating the roll? Do they have the roll on the pitch? That's weird.
Alright, you can refetch it if you want.
Nice.
Yeah, but ping me if you need me.
Yeah. Okay, now it's correct. It's just inverted for some funny reason. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, okay, good. So we need to do a minus. Interesting, I shouldn't have to do that. I already do that. But it's okay. Yeah, so then this one is fine. Don't need to do... We can change this. We don't need to take our previous information. Well, actually, I'm gonna keep it like that because I think it's actually what I should be doing. Because I don't like the way that's like applying a force. I would like to set it. Yes, okay, let's see. It's very slow, this Bada. Set angular velocity move. Angular velocity. I think if just set rotation. Should we take it back? Bodies. Set angular velocity. Set linear. Set rotation. I think that's better. And then we'll have to make a set rotation. There we used to use it. So I'm just gonna do that. And we're gonna do this. We're gonna swap the places between these two. And then to Vec, and let's see how badly that breaks. Yes. we're back in the place where it doesn't work. Yes. That's so dumb. I don't understand why this wait, that one I understand now why it wouldn't work. Interesting. It's whoa. Okay, up and down seems to be fine, but left and right is not fine. And I like woo. It's a bit weird. It's something definitely weird going on with the... You shouldn't manipulate the roll. It's like going back to it or something. Like, what's going on? Something is super strange here, let's see. Yeah, when I approach 1, not even 1, it's like minus 0.7, minus 0.8. Yeah, minus 0.8, it starts to freak out. Which I don't think it should. Interesting. Because I have a clamp, but that's for minus 1.5, not... Okay. Welcome back, welcome back. But, okay, let's see. What if I just disable this one as well? Whoa, 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 wow, wow. And put 0 there instead. So we're not gonna change the we're just gonna move. Oh, interesting. It moves nothing now. Huh. Now I'm really curious to know like which value represents what in this thing, because it doesn't seem like the right ones are being manipulated in here. Let's see, if I put pitch back into the first spot, let's see, how does it translate this to this? And then I move right, doesn't do up and down. Completely broken. From Euler doing to this and then to Vec. I swear to God, I hope it's taking the WXY set, but I have no idea. Let's see, rotation. Passes this, get, and then it goes into this. Yank. What order does Jolt expect the what components to be in? Oh! Oh no! If it actually expects it in that, oh no. Oh no, why? Why? X, Y, Z. Why is it expect? No wonder my shit is fucked. Oh my god. Why? No. No, there's no way. What? Quat.h. Why would they do that? Can I please see the structure of this thing? Oh my god. No! Oh, so I need to... No. Well, no wonder things are wrong. Okay, that's okay. We can fix that shit. Okay, then we'll just have to do a... Do back. I'm just gonna add pub. I'm just gonna do this. Harold's gonna hate me for this, but I need it. To vector burst. I think that's a good name. And then I'm just gonna move x, y, set, and do self.w. Alright, I don't know if that one is already in there then, but we'll see. Reverse set see. Auto reload, move backwards. And now, if I move to the right, we are... That's a roll. Reset, okay. And then we look up. No, no, That's a big yikes. Let's see, we'll change this pitch. Let's see if I still change the, but that, no, that wouldn't make any sense. Oh, let's see, I don't know, I'm kind of out of options right now. Okay. Okay, something. Whoa, okay. I don't think the mat is matting right. No! It's okay. But a lot of things actually making sense. Yeah. Okay. I wouldn't like to use this one, but I kind of have to. Because it's first of all, it's inverted. Why am I going down? But okay, I guess it's fine. Now I'm falling. I'm falling. Oh shit. Don't know what's going on. The whole world is flipping. But I think it has to do with if I go to physics. And because the quaternion here is inverted, it should be... It's gonna be like so, this 2. And the omega will be number 4. I'm gonna move it like that. Number 3, my bad. Oh my Jesus. Okay, bam, okay. That's not good. That's very not good. Oh no. Okay, I think I made it worse, guys. Oh shit. Why is it so bad? I don't get it. Shouldn't be doing that. But I assume that it stores the body as well. Let's see, body. I just want to know the body. Body rotation. 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 Euler constraint part. Get rotation. Let's see. Because if it returns the shape. But I would like to know what is that return. What is it? Get rotation. Get position rotation. Quaternions. Get rotation step. Get rotation. Ah, come on. You can't tell me what the type is. Quaternion argument. You get in target rotation. No, blah 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 blah. This is annoying. Can't you just tell me what it is? No, you can't. That's great. Well, anyways, it is this, but I have no idea what that is supposed to mean. That what it is. Go to references. Find references. There is a way to get them. Wait.
Yo, hello.
Hello.
What's up? Wait, did you hear anything before I went down?
No, did not.
This could have been so good because I said, "Wait, Lucas, I think I'm cooked," and then I was gone.
Damn.
Oh, the Wi-Fi, like my Wi-Fi just crashed in the entire house while I was updating my system, bro. And I saw like I was updating all good, and suddenly error, fatal, blah, blah, blah.
Happens. I'm just struggling so
What's
freaking
going on
hard
your
right
stream?
now. What?
I can see it.
Yeah. I just want some basic rotation going on, man.
But I mean, if you are making a particle accelerator, you are actually quite close.
Thanks. Oh my days. I mean, I mean, I was thinking if I didn't update the if I didn't use the transform rotation of the camera from the for the renderer, you know, I wouldn't have this problem. But now I'm like, it kind of makes sense to actually use the rotation of the camera, like the transform of the camera, rather than using the actual camera rotation, because like that's the point of the transform, kind of, that I should use it. I shouldn't have separate fields for rotation inside of the camera. That's kind of dumb. So yeah, fuck. It's okay. It's okay. You know, it could be worse. I could not have physics working at all.
Yeah.
Oh
Now
man.
you're close to making a black hole.
Yes, yes. But I don't understand, why is it jittering so much? Is it going pitch? Why is the pitch? Why is the pitch going back and forth? What the fuck? What is going on with the pitch? Why is
Oh,
it?
the camera is jittering.
Yeah.
Oh wait, also the position and the camera.
Yeah, but the position is because of the physics system. It's still like, but let me think. It's if you go to player, it should actually be a camera. Wait. Ugh. It's so specific for the player right now. So I'm taking the old rotation and pitching you off for this thing, and then I'm. Oh, that's why. Yeah, if I do this thing, I shouldn't. There. But it's still kind of weird if I start to rotate. I don't think it should break. It's not breaking though. But it's like very slow movement. Very, very, very slow. I could increase the sensitivity of the mouse, and maybe that could work. Let's see. Cameras dot sensitivity is equal to 10. Let's see. Yeah. The up and down is like fucking awful, but the left and right seems to be pretty good. Left right works. For some reason the roll is being manipulated by, and the roll should definitely not be manipulated, at least not now. It's gonna get manipulated once I get to the physics on the planet stuff. But for the moment I'm not expecting the roll to be manipulated. The roll is somehow changed, and that fucks everything. Oh shit, I shouldn't have quit. I don't need to quit, is the thing. I can quit the application, but there's no need to do so. Okay. Okay. Well, I mean, I still don't think this is the right move. I think it should be 0 here. I should probably look into it. If I do set angular velocity, can it please just be persistent? So if I do right, left, up, down, yes, but somehow the roll is still being manipulated. I have no idea why. And quite heavily also. Interesting. It shouldn't be.
Okay, my system is updated in a second and I will need to restart and hope nothing breaks. I think I will already start the prayers.
That's good.
Okay, be right back.
Alright, see ya in a bit.
Hopefully be right back.
Hopefully be right. That's the right attitude.
Alright. 1 minute.
1 minute, a whole minute? Sure.
Oh, why did everyone leave?
He had some urgent business to take care of. He's updating his arch.
All right. Yeah,
Would
ping me if
you
you need me.
would you have
Hmm?
know why a wait, what the fuck happened? Why is it
Why?
the whole thing is invert? Oh no, my pitch is somehow 360, so the camera. No, why would it do that? No. Yeah. Why I would all of a sudden have a roll applied to my because I don't touch the roll. The roll shouldn't be manipulated. Somehow I'm touching the roll. The roly.
Euler locking or something.
Yeah, but if it's Euler locking, that shouldn't. Why would the roll be touched then? That doesn't make sense.
No. Euler locking is funky.
Yeah, but not that doesn't shouldn't concern with roll. Why is roll being touched? Roll shouldn't
Yeah.
be touched.
I have no idea. I hate rotation.
Yeah, but
I
it's
indeed hate rotation. Ping me if you need me.
yeah. Pitch yeah, and then 0. But that somehow still set angular velocity move. Let's change this actually. Where we're at. Edit bodies. Dot. What are my options? Set. I think I will change it to this. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, that's a bit slow, but it's better, I think, because now it feels like when I'm actually moving, I'm moving. It's a bit slow to take off, otherwise it's like feels like I'm on ice. I don't want to be on ice. Could though have a little bit more movement speed. Speed. I don't know what I have it on right now. I'm gonna change it to 10. Actually, I can see. Go to. Yeah, it's 10 right now. So let's change it to 100. Maybe 5.
What's up?
How is the updating going? Yeah, that's good.
I think it actually works. Everything other than like trillion errors in the hyperlink config.
That's crazy.
I think I just need to clone the new headers and I have a little bit less. And we'll see.
Right, I just realized why I'm having some funny issues also. Okay. Gonna change this. Beware. And then these ones. Current. I'm gonna call it current. Because I will need current to pitch for these things. Yeah. Why would you do that? Current pitch. And then current. Yeah. Right, this will never mutate. And why are you doing that again? Jesus Christ, my multi-cursor is up. Const. And then because I will do these ones, forward and up, can use that, move, we'll use those, and collider, yes, I think that should be fine. Forgot. Where am I? There. Backwards, forward, right.
Damn, Lucas, I actually don't have any hyperlet errors.
Damn.
Nah.
Still not applying though the right rotation and stuff. Interesting. That's weird. I should definitely
Arch
do
is
the
press
right.
to go to, bro. Everything just worked.
That's crazy. Left, right. If I move forward, this is fine, but if I do this and I press right, I'm going to the backwards. That's forward when it's... Oh, what the fuck? I thought I was gonna get the forward vector right with this, but apparently not. Interesting. But that should it should do it. Let's see. Oh wait, it's not even compile. Right. Ah, okay, didn't compile. But like, why the hell is nothing working? Oh my
Okay,
god, how
Lucas.
is it not multi-cursor? Yeah.
I think I will go now
All right.
because my father invited me to play. Do you know Diablo 4?
I know Diablo. Yeah.
Yeah, and he invited me to play, so
Yeah, that sounds good.
it will be fire.
Enjoy. I just fixed the movement to be relative to the camera. Yay. Yeah. But I still have
Yeah,
roll
good luck with
going
the
on.
project
Thanks.
and good night.
Good night. That should be fine. Oh whoa. How half an hour just flashed before my eyes. What the fuck just happened? Okay. Still having, but the collision should at least work now. So I think if I'm going to do a inside of systems and then I initialize, let's take the planet, right? Let's provide the planet also a collider. Like so. I should probably call it something better, but I'm calling it just entity mesh 2. A collider shape primitive capsule. Apparently I didn't provide any specifications of the how huge it should be, but that's okay. There. So if I now, great. Wait, is it moving away because I collided with it? Oh wait, can I play ping pong with this basically? Wait. Okay. Yeah. I'm changing the direction of the thing, or is it changing the direction of me? No. I think I changed it. Yeah, I made him go downwards. Okay, we got some kind of physics going on. It's just fuck the controller, but it's fine. It's fine. It's moving somewhere. Oh my god. Oh no. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. We're getting somewhere. Not somewhere good, but somewhere. I think we could easily, if I could also just manually change the position while it's running the game loop, but yeah. You can also just do this and just say dot position, it's a transform. Yeah, so position should be a valid thing to do. That's how you spell position. I should go to sleep, but a bit hooked, okay. And then it's a vector 3. Can I just say 0, 0, 0? But I want it to be a bit backwards, so we're gonna say, for example, 10. And I think that should work. We should be a bit, yes. So now it's standing there. Now if I come from top, yeah, I bounced it away. I should probably render hitboxes because it's really hard to see what the fuck is going on. And the camera is just inverted. We'll fix it. We'll get to it. We'll get to it. The tree might need a hitbox as well. Anyways, that will be it. I will end it here. Is Harold still here with us? Rail. Cannot spell. There. All right.
Well.
It's bye bye.
Good morning,
Good
good
morning.
evening, and good night.
Good night. See you, everybody. Bye bye.